Welcome students. In this class we will learn how to embed a video into a HTML page. So to begin with, I will start off with the usual introduction by placing the doc type tag, and then I will save this. Having saved this document as an HTML, we will start off with HTML lang equal to English, and then click enter, and then open the head tag, click enter, give the meta char set to be equal to UTF-8, and then click enter, give a title tag. This is an example to show how video element is embedded into an HTML page. Now we start with the body. Under body, maybe you can give a small heading, video element embedded, and then you can center it, take that out, place the other closing tag over here, and then we will now have the video. We can start with video, then type the source to be equal to, open the double quote, place the path in which the video is placed. So I'm going to place HTML-videos slash the name of the video that I am trying to embed. So this is the path of the video. If I were to refresh the page, you see this is how the video element is displayed. I've got no controls here at all. So if I were to click on it, there's no response at all. So if you were to simply embed the video without placing in the attributes, you will get nothing displayed. So we are going to give some attributes. So I'm going to give width equal to. Now you can specify the width. You don't need to specify the height, because automatically once you specify the width, the height is taken into consideration. So if I were to say width is equal to 500 pixels and then go and refresh it, I get the video element. So just for this sake, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a center tag here so that the video appears at the center of the page. So I refresh it, I got the video element over here as the center of the page. I click it, I've got nothing displayed. So the element is apparently non-responsive. So there are a few things we have to place in after we have given the width. That is to say controls. This is a very important attribute we have to include in the video element. So once we include controls and save it and go back and refresh, immediately we get the controls. So this gets played. So this is a simple way to embed video element into your page. And if you want to make it bigger, it becomes big, and you can reduce the size of it. And of course there are other options also. And having mentioned this, you can either use pixels or you can use percentage. Say if I want to have a smaller one, I can say 45%. You can save it and go back and refresh. The size is in proportion with the page. And if you want to reduce the size, maybe you can place 25% and the video gets reduced. So this is how you can play along with the attributes that you need. Now, if in case you want the image to be displayed, you can also do that. So all you need to do is to give a space and then say poster is equal to, you can say images slash, just give the path of the image. So I'm going to say pos1.jpg. So if you were to go and refresh the page, the image would be displayed. So if you click on it, the video would be playing. So that is one particular attribute you can use. You can have it displayed on the page, and it makes things attractive. Of course, I've got iframe. We can also use iframe to embed video element.